They got an airplane. You know, of all the airports we go to, is this what you expect to see? A moving walkway? How come I never see any? Same stuff in the same salad. Same stuff in the same salads. Stuff, same salads. Yeah, there's 80 shops. There's 3 of them. First time in Midway. We're gonna spend the night, so to speak. Let's go see what we can do. Already this thing seems smaller. Here we go. Let's go see what an old Chicago airport looks like. Harry Carey shortstop. Look at all the sports stuff. Famous Chicago personality. Okay, that right there was the Harry Callis display museum, which it was the fact it was so crowded, it would have been cool to look at. I wonder, we're gonna spend the night here for the next 4 hours till bedtime. Gonna just go for a walk and see if we can find somewhere comfortable. Speaking of which, I don't know where our next gate is. I gotta look. It's actually a proper bookshop. All my books are packed in other bags. I sit there 4 hours staring into space. It's annoying. So it's named Midway for Battle of Midway. Yeah, you see it, look. They got an airplane. And displays apparently. Food court's amazingly modern. It's an amazing little food court. I figure they all be full. Sit in a stained and discolored chairs if you want. I wonder if there's another one of these somewhere. This is supposed to be the original airport, like Trio Hair. This is huge. Yeah? I thought it was going to be a small little thing. I thought it sits like a square mile. I'm confused. I thought we were going to circle back to where we were just at. I've seen one this fast in a while. No, but you know, of all the airports we go to, is this what you expect to see? A moving walkway?
You would think.
How come I never see any? I always thought every airport, like even when I was a kid, I thought they all had moving walkways. And this one's like going at a good clip.
Violators are subject to a fine. Thank you for your cooperation.
$7 is cheaper than anywhere we've been. The salads are $12 here, but the small carts are cheaper than everywhere. Good figure. So this airport has like 3 or 4 stores that sell the same things, different names. There's one over there. It's one of those cashless stores where you put your debit card and you just walk in and walk out. It's got the same stuff in the same salads. The Hanover store says fresh food something. The same stuff in the same salads. Bookstore, same stuff, same salads. The sporting goods store, the same chocolates and the same magnet. The souvenir store, same souvenirs and magnets. It's a bookstore. It's a whole airport. Like, they're gonna say there's 80 shops. There's 3 of them. Same store and 1 toy store, and that's it. And yoga room. Home Run Inn, which makes frozen pizza.
The restaurant goes to the mall?
Yeah, it's cool though. I like the pictures of like the guy working on a secret pizza recipe on the other side.
Yeah.
It's cool. I was like, but at the food courts, the only things it's like top notch looking here in the 31-hour moving sidewalks. It's that food court or something else. But otherwise, I don't know.
A1 through 30, you're going to line up on the chair side. A31 through 60, you're going to line up on the window side. Once on board the aircraft, it is open seating. After my A group is my A-list, A-list preferred, extra time passengers, active duty military, military ID, and if you're boarding with smaller children, ages 6 and under, you'll be boarding after the A group. If you're pre-boarding or under the age of 15, you may not sit in the emergency exit row. Tonight's flight for Birmingham showing about 110 passengers. Aircraft holds 143 folks. It's a federal mandate. You're limited to 2 carry-on items, 1 small item underneath the seat in front of you, 1 roller bag in the overhead bin. Purses, man purses, fanny packs, satchels, all kinds of carry-on items. Please make sure you're down to 2 items or less at this time. You're more than welcome to bring a food or beverage on board. However, that beverage cannot contain alcohol. Please make sure all alcoholic beverages are finished in the gate area before you do board the aircraft here at gate B15. Thank you very much for choosing Southwest Airlines this evening. Welcome aboard flight number 566. Oh, real quick, folks, if for whatever reason we do have to check the larger item, make sure lithium-ion batteries have been removed. I just want to give you a quick heads up on that one. All right, folks, I'm going to start boarding here in a few.
Quintessential urban airport. It's just 1 square mile in the city.
Is that all?
But just really, there's enough people in there. There's some sort of lounge or something. Yeah, it's not that empty. It's huge.
Very big.
Yeah, not it's just one salad monopoly.
Yeah.
It's got potential, I think.
You could do more with it.
I kind of liked it. I thought the order with the birthday it wasn't bad. I liked it.
Okay.
I wish someone would move in, maybe Main Streets or something, somewhere.
Yeah.